Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope y'all are doing well. Got a 2003 Kenworth W900L to show you today. It's got 237,000 original miles. On top of that, it's only got 37,000 miles on a new long block engine from Cat. 6NZ, single turbo, 18 speed, wet kit, full lockers. I'm going to do a full walk around for you. I've gotten it hot, so you'll see blow by and oil pressure. Hope you like what you see. Let's get started. Only a year on the engine, so it's got 3 years of Cat OPT warranty still left. See the top of the hood has got sun blister on the paint there. So to really make it stand up tall, need to address that. Engine compartment super clean. Blow by is excellent. Great steers. Top of the cab has got some sun blister on it too. Doors, back of the cab, all that's in good shape, but the rest of the top there would be really nice. Steps in great shape. Tanks, factory split tank here for your hydraulics. Nice headache rack. Air slide fifth wheel. The frame looks really good from here forward. You've got a little bit of rust on the back here, but not terrible, not detrimental. VIT interior, there's your wet kit controls, seats are phenomenal, interior is just really nice. Little bunched up on the rubber floor mat there, but nothing abnormal. The rest of the floor looks great. Dash is in good shape. Great low side oil pressure, smooth through the RPMs. Man, you gotta love an old school single turbo Cat. So responsive, that oil pressure pops up there in a millisecond. And of course you got the 3 years of warranty still left through Cat. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or anything additional, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.